Hey, Vision Tech fans! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Samsung's latest and greatest flagship lineup, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, and S25. These smartphones are setting new benchmarks with cutting-edge designs, beastly performance, and camera upgrades that'll blow your mind. Whether you're into pro-level photography, high-speed gaming, or simply love top-tier tech, there's something here for everyone. Stick around because we're breaking down everything you need to know about these phones in detail. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more epic tech content. Let's jump right in. Slow 360-degree shots of all three phones highlighting their finishes, edges, and colors. Let's start with the design. Samsung has truly taken things to the next level this year. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a bold, squared-off design with a premium matte finish that feels sleek and modern. Not to mention, it's slimmer than ever, making it even more elegant. On the other hand, the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 bring a more compact and rounded look that fits perfectly in your hand, ideal for those who prefer lighter, one-handed use. When it comes to durability, all three models are built like tanks with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 4 and an Armor aluminum frame. And let's talk colors. Samsung is giving us iconic Phantom Black, alongside fresh shades like Misty Blue and Emerald Green. These phones don't just look premium, they feel premium. Close-ups of displays showing vibrant colors, scrolling apps, and gaming. Now, let's talk about those jaw-dropping displays. The Galaxy S25 Ultra features a 6.9-inch 2K Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a buttery smooth 144Hz refresh rate. Whether you're gaming, watching videos, or just scrolling, this display delivers unmatched clarity and responsiveness. The S25 Plus and S25 come with slightly smaller 6.7-inch and 6.4-inch screens, but trust me, they're just as stunning, with vibrant colors and sharp detail. Under the hood, Samsung has packed serious power. Depending on your region, you'll get the blazing fast Exynos 2500 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. Pair that with up to 16 GB of RAM on the Ultra, and you've got a beast that handles everything from intense multitasking to high-end gaming like a dream. If this sounds exciting so far, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Sample shots showcasing low-light photography, zoom, and stunning landscapes. Photography lovers, this is where the Galaxy S25 lineup shines. The S25 Ultra is an absolute camera powerhouse with a 200MP primary sensor, a 48-megapixels periscope lens that delivers 10x optical zoom, and cutting-edge AI image enhancements. Your photos are going to look crisp, detailed, and professional, no matter the lighting. The S25 Plus and S25 might not have the Ultra's insane zoom, but they still feature a 50-megapixels main sensor that performs brilliantly in low light and delivers exceptional dynamic range. And for video creators, all models now support 8K video recording at 60 FPS. Yes, you heard that right, cinema-grade video quality right from your smartphone. Whether you're vlogging or shooting for social media, Samsung has you covered. Phones being charged, battery percentages climbing rapidly, and One UI 7.0 features. Let's talk battery life because Samsung is delivering big here. The S25 Ultra comes with a massive 5500 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. The S25 Plus and S25 have slightly smaller batteries, but thanks to Samsung's new adaptive power-saving mode, they're just as efficient. And the charging speeds? Game-changing. With 65W fast charging, you can go from 0 to 100% in under 30 minutes. Plus, there's 15W wireless charging and reverse wireless charging, making it super convenient to charge your earbuds or other devices. On the software side, One UI 7.0 is here, and it's smoother than ever. From customizable lock screens to improved multitasking, the user experience is seamless. And if you're in the Samsung ecosystem, you'll love the tighter integration with Galaxy Buds, watches, and tabs. Visuals. All three phones displayed side by side with their key features highlighted. So, there you have it. the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, and S25. From their sleek designs to groundbreaking cameras and blazing performance, these phones truly deliver on every front. Now, the big question: which one's your favorite? Are you going all in with the Ultra, or do the S25 Plus and S25 catch your eye? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech updates. Also, click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.